Hello, good morning, one and all. In all the sessions, in previous sessions, we discussed about all different types of algorithms and also problems. Today, I am going to start. It's a very important concept, that is time and space complexity. This concept come under module 1. It is very important question for examination point of view also, and for higher studies, if you go for some other entrance also, it will ask 100% sure. So this is very important question. Before going to start some of the basic example of time and space complexity, let's discuss about what is the meaning of time and space complexity. Now, definition of the time and space complexity is the time efficiency of an algorithm is the amount of computer time required to run the program till the completion. Since the efficiency of an algorithm is measured with respect to time, the word time complexity is often associated with an algorithm. Normally, it is always time efficiency should be using a value, should be taken by using a n or n plus 1. That should be a executable statement. That should be have to take the time complexity value. Yes, we'll discuss first basic example how to solve a time and space complexity. Yes. Now, for example, I will take one small example. For I is equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. And this is statement. Close. This is one simple example. What is the time and space complexity of this? And space complexity we will discuss in next session. Today I will show how to calculate the time. First, this is we consider as a n plus 1. Always we have to ignore this one. We have to take the value of this. So, if the statement it runs, it execute n times. So, we have indicated as this as n. What is the final value? If you, this is for I is equal to 0, I less than I is equal to 0, it is a value is there. So, we have called it as an 1. And this is I less than n plus 1 times. It will increment n times, and this is n plus 1. We have to increment 1 by 1. This is 1, n and n plus 1. Totally, so we call it as this is n plus 1. We have to ignore this one. Now, the statement value is n only. So, what is the value final? Order of n is n. So, order is n. Final value is n only. This is the one simple example for time and space complexity. We'll discuss another one example. If for I is equal to 1, I less than n and I is equal to I plus 2. This is one example. For I is equal to 1, I less than n, I is equal to I plus 2, and the statement, this is the executable statement, and close the brace. This is order of n plus 1 times only. What is the value? See here, we have to use this one. Here I is equal to 1. Here giving the value 1. I less than 1 means n times. What is the value? I plus 2, power of 2. So that is we call as an n by 2 times. Correct? This is n by 2 times. So how you will return the statement? This is n, order of n, the statement will n. The value of I is equal to I plus 2 is n by 2. So this is we consider as a n by 2. Clear? So finally, order is n only. Whatever the value, whatever the 3 or 4, whatever the value you have to take, the order should be taken as a n only. If, for example, for I is equal to 1, I less than n, I is equal to I plus 20 is there. Now, we have to return n by 20 times. Finally, the order will be n only. Don't take numericals for writing a time. Similarly, we'll take another one important example. Now, we'll take nested loop. This question will appear in the one competitive exam. So, we'll take nested loop for, this is for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Next, loop for j is equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Open the brace and final we have to write the statement and close the brace. How you will return? You have to start from 1 by 1. This is first n plus 1 times. After n plus 1 executed, it executed n times. This also executed n times. After completion of this one, come for this loop. After n, what is the value? N plus 1 times. Clear? Next, here what is the value? N times. Now, final answer we have to take the executable statement only. What is the value of executable statement? N into n. N into n indicates order of n square. Clear? This is the order. This is the answer for this statement. Clear? Already we explained 3 example how to solve. This is a basic 2 example and this is one of the nested loop example. Now, we'll go very important algorithm, very important time problem to solve. How to solve? By using a tracing method. First, we'll take for I is equal to 0, I less than n, same I plus plus. Similarly, we have to same nested loop only I am doing, but in looping inside the loop we have to change some values. J is equal to 0. Now j is less than I. In previous problem j less than n is there, but here j less than I and j plus plus, open brace. Finally we give the statement. Close. Clear? Clear? Now we have to find the value. This is I, this is j and number of statement. Now we have to calculate the value. Clear? Yes. Now, how will you do? Here, see here, I is equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus. Initially, what is the value of I? I is 0. Next, I less than n, 0 less than n. No, it is not true. Next, go inside the loop. Now, j is initially 0. 0 is less than 0. If 0 is less than 0, no, it is not less than 0. So, its statement will not execute. Its number of statement executed 0 times. Now, again, the statement execute and again come to this loop. For I is equal to 0, after 0, I plus plus is there. I plus plus means I will be 1. 1 less than, some assume 3 or 4. 1 less than n, yes. Go inside the loop. Here, 1 less than 0. Next, go inside the loop. We have to increment the j. Clear? Next, 1 starting with 0. 1 less than 0. J is how much? J is 0. I is 1. 0 less than 1. Yes, it is true. It execute. Next, after j plus plus there, come again here. After 0, what is the value of j? 1. 1 less than 1. No, it not execute. It execute only 1 times. Clear? Next, come for 2. 0. Yeah, it execute 1 times. 1. Yes, it execute 2 times. But in 2, similarly we have to trace 2. We can't execute. Only 2 times it will be execute. Clear? Similarly, I is equal to 3. It execute first 0. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. Third will not execute. It execute 3 times. So on, we have to follow the procedure of this tracing. Now, after this, after the completion of tracing, what is the time value for this one? Now, here this is looks like 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n terms. That indicates sum of natural numbers. It can be indicated, the formula, standard formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Clear? Now, f of n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. What is the order? Always will take the n value only. We have to exclude a numerical. So order of n square. The final answer is order of n square. Clear? Yes. Next, I will show another one example. How to solve this problem. This is the last problem today I will explain, and next class I will explain how to do the time and space complexity in some while loop and do while loop problems. Yes, last example is, I will take one small example textbook problem only. P is equal to 0. Next, for I is equal to 1, P less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Next, P is equal to P plus I. Clear? This is the important example. Yes, listen here. We have to trace this statement. We have to trace this one. I will take I indicated as a 1, and P also we have to take. What is the value I for I is equal to 1? It initially I will be 1. P less than or equal to n. It means P. What is the value of P initially is 0. 0 is less than or equal to sometimes. It means n times. N times indicates up to 5. 0 is less than or equal to 5. Like this we have to trace. Yeah. What is the value of P here? 0. So P is equal to, what is the value of P? 0 plus what is the value of I? 1. So totally 1 is there. Clear? Next, second, I is equal to 2. 1 plus 2. How much? 3. Next, 0 plus 1, 1. Next, 1 plus 2, 3. Next, after that, 3. What is the value of 3? 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is equal to 5, 6. Clear? Next, what is the value of 4? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Similarly, we have to do up to k times. We can't write n times because we already taken a p less than or equal to times. Less than n means we have to write as a n times. Less than or equal to n means infinite, it will be recurring. So we call it as a k times. So what is the value, final value of this one? Yes, we'll take, assume P greater than n. What is the value of P? It looks like a sum of natural numbers only. So P is equal to, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to k times. So it indicates P is equal to, what is the value of P? We are writing k times. K into k plus 1 by 2. Clear? Therefore, P is equal to k into k plus n by, k into k plus 1 by 2 greater than n. Clear? Now, what is the order of this problem? Order of n? Yes. Now, we have to exclude this numerical. Only we have to k into k we have to take. So, k square greater than n. So, finally, k is equal to k greater than, square should be transferred here. So, it is k is root n. Order is root n. This is the final answer. So these are all for the today's class. If you have any doubts regarding this time and space complexity, please message me in a comment box. If you have any doubts regarding these statements, just mail me. My mail ID is kishore.gr@jyotiit.ac.in. If you have any doubt, please message me in a comment box or mail me. Thank you one and all for listening this topic. It's very important topic. Please do yourself and take some example, textbook example, or Google some examples and do it in your home, and we will be thoroughly will get through this concept. So after doing this concept, we'll discuss about big O and O small o, that is asymptotic notation. Thank you one and all for listening this topic.